All right, just gonna give you a little quick background on this. As you see, officers are responding to a disturbance. So remember this about a disturbance is not about trespassing. This is what the video is about. But he's responding to a call for disturbance, and we just need to make sure we remember that. This is just to point out how some of these officers simply do not know the law. If you go to this video, link is in the description. You see how some people were trying to say that she has to identify and all this other stuff, but all these people are doing is just yapping. I do a little D&D. I do a little research. I have proof, as in case law. Case law has this exact case. So would you rather believe case law or somehow on YouTube talking about, yeah, she don't know what she's doing, she's not following the officer's directions, she has to talk, she has to answer. Follow case law. It's an exact one. So let's just see how this goes real quick.
On January 30th, 2024, an officer responded to a call about a woman causing a disturbance outside a school.
Hey, did you call? No.
Now this is in the shopping center, so she's outside, not in the property. And the school doesn't own
instructor.
the whole place.
I guess it's a situation with one of our students. Okay, and with a female outside. Female's outside.
That one right there?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not sure what they blocking out. I guess innocent
You just want to
students.
trespass?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Hey, so I guess there was a little
hold
issue
on a
here.
moment.
And
He pretty much initiated a trespass. Nobody said anything about trespass until the officer initiated. This is something that they shouldn't be doing. Let me see if I can wind it back a little bit.
so I guess there was a little issue here. So, business. I can't.
You did this at the to talk to me. I don't
Yes,
want
you
to
do.
I think I got this all wrong. Let me go back.
From outside.
Right here.
Female's outside.
That one right there?
Yes.
Okay.
She go from. I don't know much of the situation because it's
You just want to
season.
trespass?
Yes.
Okay.
See? The guy didn't say anything about trespassing, but it's always
So
the
I
police.
guess there was a little issue
They're
here.
not really your friends. They just want to get a charge so they can arrest you.
Trespass, okay? So you can't come back here for at least 6 months.
So this is
So, a couple things. To be trespassed, that guy really needs to tell her that, okay? And one good reason why he needs to tell her that, because this guy's going to try to get an actual written write-up trespass, and it's not going to happen. So he really should tell her, but this is kind of good enough for the officer telling. But just so you know, when you get trespassed, they'll tell you trespass, they give you a chance to leave, okay? She's been told that she's getting trespassed. The cop wants to write a trespass warning, okay? Now, she doesn't have to give her name for a trespass warning. What's supposed to happen is the owner, the guy you just saw, is supposed to tell her that she's trespassed. At that time, she's supposed to leave. Okay, if she doesn't leave, she can get arrested. So right now, she can leave and there's no crime. But the thing is, she can't leave because this officer is detaining her, trying to get her name. So she can't get arrested for trespassing when she's not even allowed to leave. Okay, the officer, once again, doesn't know the law, but you cannot hold somebody just so you can get their name to write the actual paper trespass. A simple verbal trespass will do.
I'm just letting you know, I have to do this. They asked me the business. I can't tell them no.
I'm not.
I need your ID.
I don't have my ID. She got.
Now, a cop can ask you for your ID all day, but they can't demand it for a trespass because he clearly says he's giving a warning. He's not saying he's arresting for trespass. If he was arresting her for trespass, yeah, she has to identify. But he's giving a warning, okay? This is what we call a consensual contact, okay? If it's consensual, you don't have to give the guy anything, okay? And this is exactly what it is. I know some people think I'm wrong, but I have receipts.
So you did this at the school too? Are you serious right now? I don't know what.
Can you just hang out and
No,
stop
I didn't-
moving so much, please? Just
I have
relax.
to go home. I'm calling the person that I was calling to
You're
come
gonna hang
outside
out
to
with
talk
me?
to me.
You're
I
gonna
don't. I
hang
don't.
out?
I don't
Yes,
want
you
to hang
do.
out with you.
Yes, you do.
Why?
Because I'm telling you, you
Why?
have to stay here until I'm done with you.
No, I
okay?
didn't call you. I didn't do
You're
anything
not paying
wrong.
attention.
I didn't
You're
do
not paying
anything
attention.
wrong.
So right here, he's detaining her, saying she can't leave. Now, actually, he has no suspicion of any crime. You can't say trespass because remember the original call was a disturbance. He didn't know what it was. He came to investigate. But now, if it was trespassing, like she was already trespassed, then you have a crime and you can get the ID. But remember, he's given a warning. Once he got there, then the owner says she's trespassed. So right then, she gets a chance to leave. But of course, she can't leave because the cop is holding her. Okay, you can't force somebody into a trespass. You got to give them a chance to leave, and this cop did not do it.
All I'm doing is issuing a trespass.
Okay, go ahead.
I have to get your information.
I don't have my information to give you.
You
You have to
are
get
going
it from her.
You're going to give it to me.
I don't have it,
Yes,
sir. I don't
ma'am.
have it.
Listen to me. You got to give me your information to
I
identify
don't
yourself.
have it.
And what he's saying is a complete lie. She does not have to give him information because she's not suspected of a crime. He keeps saying a trespass warning. Trespass warning is not a crime. Actual trespassing is. Now, actually, technically, she may be trespassing, but why is that? Because he won't let her leave. But she has the right to leave if you're going to give somebody a trespass warning.
You can't tell me your name, date of birth?
I could tell you, but
Okay.
I'm not willing to tell you because you're telling me I did something wrong and I
You
wasn't
are
doing
not paying
anything.
attention.
And to be clear, you don't have to show ID, nor do you have to verbally give your name or date of birth. You don't have to give anything. So know your rights. As you see, police officer not your friend. He's trying to find a reason. First, he wants her name so he can run it through the system, see if she got warrants and stuff like that. Second thing, he's trying to find a reason to arrest her.
I'm telling you that you're not going to jail for trespassing. I'm telling you, you're being trespassed from now on.
Now, once again, she's not trespassing. He just said it. He's giving a warning, okay? If somebody says, hey, you got to leave, and they give you a warning, you do not have to stay and give them a name and a number so they can write out some silly report. Now, they can, they can get your name, write down the paperwork, say you trespass. But I don't know why the people who respond to this video act like there's no such thing as a verbal trespass. Sure there is. I don't have to give you a written piece of paper. I can see you and say, hey, you're a trespass from my home. You come back, you can get arrested. It's that simple. You don't need that piece of paper, okay? Especially something like this. This is on video, okay? So if let's say she doesn't get a written trespass, right? A verbal trespass, and she comes back tomorrow, she can say, hey, well, I didn't know I would trespass. It's on video. And it's verbal. That's good enough. It doesn't have to be written. I don't know why so many people are confused about that.
To not set foot in that business.
That's fine. But I need to go out
Hang out.
here.
No,
My
no,
car's
you're
over
gonna
here with
stay.
my ID.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
I don't want to stay
See, she already agreed. She said she'd be trespassed. That's fine. Let her leave.
here.
Relax. Relax. No,
I can't believe this is embarrassing.
stop.
This is
Relax.
embarrassing. I'm relaxed. I'm calling
You're
my
not
mom.
going anywhere.
I'm not going nowhere. My car's over
Wait.
there.
Ma'am, relax. What's your last name? Miss, I need your name.
Go ask the person that
No,
called
I'm
you.
asking you. I need your information to issue the trust.
Now, a couple things. He said he needs information for the trespass. He doesn't need it. Now, her name is not a secret. She's a student at the place. Okay? Pretty sure the guy has the correct name.
Trespass. Ma'am.
She's just ignoring him.
What's your last
I
name?
love these phones.
What's your last name? Ma'am, I need your last name.
I don't want to talk to you, sir, because I didn't do anything
I need to
wrong.
issue you a trespass.
And to be fair, she's correct. She might have had a dispute or something, but that don't mean it's illegal. She might have had a dispute or something in the class. She left. She was sitting outside when the cop got there. Technically, she did nothing wrong. She's not trespassing because y'all don't know what trespassing is. For the people that kept saying she was trespassing, she's outside. She only got the warning after the cop solicited a trespass and he came outside and said, hey, he wants to trespass you. She's like, fine. She gets a chance to leave. but the cop won't let her leave. And the dumb part is he gonna try to arrest her for trespassing because he won't let her leave.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and get the
I'm
information
not
from
getting it from her
them.
because then I need to make sure that I have the right person.
All you gotta
And
do
I
is tell
turn
them,
around and you're gonna leave. I'm not
gonna
stupid.
leave.
Then why can't you
That's
tell
my
me your
tag
name?
member right here.
There's a couple things. He said if he turns around, she might leave. Okay, so just think about what he said right there. That sounds like she's not detained. Okay, because if she's detained, she's not supposed to go anywhere. So if she's not detained, that means it's a consensual encounter, and he doesn't have to give her any piece of information whatsoever.
This is my car.
Tell me your name and date of birth. And
Go get it from them because no one
You're
said
being
anything to me. No one missed.
they don't have to. I'm the one telling you.
So tell them to come identify me to say that's her. That's her.
They told me that's the girl outside, standing outside. They pointed you out.
Okay, well get my name from them
No.
because I can't believe this girl just did this. And
Last
you-
name. Ma'am, all I need is your last name.
You have to get it from her.
No.
Okay, well get it off my card. I'm telling you, that's my. Tell her to come out here and tell you that's my vehicle right there. I didn't do anything wrong. Literally, I've been standing on the phone talking to the person. As you see, you walked out. I was on the phone with her.
I turn around and go to your car. You're either going to go in there and mess with her or you're going to do something.
Why the
Why
hell would
can't-
I go in there and you telling me the people is saying I'm trespassing? I'm not no
You're
defiant
not
person.
trespassing right now. You
No
are not
crime.
listening.
No
you're
crime.
not trespassing. I'm telling you, you're being trespassed. It's a warning. It's from now on, from now till 6 months, you cannot go back to that business.
And there you go. She's been trespassed. That's all that's needed by law. She should be able to leave. She doesn't sign anything. She don't have to give her name. She doesn't. And I'll prove it later.
You can go to any of the other businesses, but you're not going to set foot in that one after tonight. That is all that we're doing.
And that's fine. I don't care
You're
what
not
they're
trespassing right now. I'm
That's
issuing
fine.
you a warning.
Okay, that's fine.
What's your
But I'm
last
telling
name?
you, I'm not giving you my name. Go get it from her, the person that told you to call, get my
Yeah.
information.
You're not
And
gonna
that's
give me your
my
name?
I don't have my ID.
You don't have to give me your ID. Give me your name and date of birth.
Sabrina Floyd.
Thank you.
Okay, now go ask
no,
her if
no.
my name's
No, no,
Sabrina
no.
Floyd.
She's right. Go ask him if that's her name. Now,
Floyd's your last name, ma'am?
she
Right,
coughed
that's
that
not
up.
my name.
But the
That's
cop is
not
still
my
hard
name. I don't
pressed.
feel like I did anything wrong to be giving
Ma'am, are you
you
going to give
anything.
me a wrong name too?
Give you a wrong name. I gave you her name. The
I
person
want
that
your name. Do not play games. I will take you to jail right now for
Oh,
resisting without violence.
that's
I
her
will.
name.
you taking me to jail
Yes,
for
I will.
what
If
did I
you do not give me your name and date of birth to issue this trespass, I will take you to Rock Road.
'Cause I didn't do anything.
Okay. Turn around for me. All right.
My ID is in my car.
Come on.
All right, so right here, she's pretty much going to get arrested, right? Put into the patrol car. I mean, technically detained, but he's arresting her, right? But eventually, the cop realizes he's wrong. Finally realizes he's wrong and lets her go. But I'm not going to play the video that far. Y'all go watch it yourself. But I'm just telling you, he realizes he's wrong.
Behind your back.
My ID is in my car, sir.
You want to go get it for me?
I was telling you to follow me to my car.
No, you weren't.
That's my car. I could go get it for you.
Not going to risk you trying to climb in your car and drive off.
Why do I seem like a crazy maniac or something? My ID, my car, that's all that belongs to me.
You're going to be detained for a moment, all right?
Okay. Can I get my cell phone?
Yeah, I'll pick it up.
Clear my 1012. Lima.
You put me in handcuffs for me telling you that's my vehicle right there.
Can you zip your hand out? Yeah, you
And
can.
he could just run the tags on
Okay,
the
I'll
vehicle.
stay here. You go to my car.
Let go of the keys.
This is my keys.
Let go of the keys.
What did I do to deserve this? I didn't even do anything.
Anyway,
Put my keys for
let me
you.
turn this down a bit. So anyway, like I said, he's going to find out that he's in the wrong. She'll be let go. So, my proof here is that this is not the first time that somebody's been trespassed and they decided not to give their name or ID or anything like that. It's already been to court. There's case law, okay? Go look it up. Slidell versus State, and also Rodriguez versus State in this same state. Okay, go look it up. The court ruled that
Can I give you my ID
uh,
so you can run it? Why are you putting me back here?
and I'm gonna
for?
just read to it. It says, "We conclude that a stop merely to issue a trespass warning," and clearly he said several times he's going to issue a trespass warning. The court said it's not a Terry stop, but rather a consensual encounter. Do you know what consensual encounter means? It means you don't have to answer the cop. You really don't have to do anything for the cop. You don't have to cooperate. You don't have to get a name. The courts have already ruled on this exact issue, and there's people saying that she was in the wrong. I mean, so why are we going to listen to people who's yammering on the internet instead of looking at case law that has the exact same case, the exact thing, trespass warning? This is what it is.
Go get my ID. It's right, sir.
So
I'm
to be
telling
honest
you,
with you,
I
if she
just
has a
got
little
you.
money, she can probably sue
I don't want to go to jail for
the
that.
department.
I
They
didn't
can
do
sue the officer
anything,
personally.
sir. I
He
didn't do
probably
anything.
lose his qualified immunity because it's a clearly established case law on this exact thing. The cop just don't know the law, and it's sad. I don't know how long he's been a police officer, but he doesn't know the law. So anybody that's want to say I'm wrong, just look at the court cases that I mentioned: Slidell versus State and Rodriguez versus State. And they clearly ruled that this is a consensual encounter when issuing a trespass warning. Hopefully y'all know what a consensual encounter is. Okay? So you might not like my ruling, but it is what it is. I go with the law. The courts have said that you don't have to give your name, ID, or anything like that. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe.
She was being uncooperative. So can you 65 tag?
This is her name and date of birth.